Today we'll talk about basic surgical instruments, a perfect collection for every surgeon. Trocar cannula 10 mm, laparoscopic trocar cannula 5 mm, Veress needle 100 or 120, Maryland dissector grasper 5 mm, Babcock forceps 5 mm, curved scissor 5 mm, TC needle holder jaw 5 mm, bipolar Maryland fenestrated, Ruby 5 mm wool for Bissinger sealer cutter, 5 mm suction irrigation cannula 10 to 5 mm, monopolar electrode 5 mm, ball J L spatula, clip applicator LT3, 100 or LT400, 10 mm laparoscopic claw forceps or gallbladder grasper, 10 mm port closer suture, passer 2.5 mm metal reducer, flip on an 10 to 5 mm, Mangeshkar type uterine manipulator 10 mm, laparoscopic myoma screw 5 or 10 mm, tubal ligation ring applicator 7 mm, working element with resectoscope TUR PSET 24 or 26 FR, Richard Wolf ureteroscope 6 or 7.5 FR. If you want perfect and best quality surgical instruments, call now on the number given below.